One thing we're realizing is that we don't stop doing character work when we take on a new lens. So, thinking about a character can become something you do almost automatically, like thinking about the people in your life. And then you can push yourself to think about some new aspects of the story. So, we're going to reread this part. And now that we know what happens and how pushy Will is, this time, so we already know the outcome. This time, we're going to think with the lens of setting, and we're going to be asking ourselves, what kind of gym class is this? What's the mood? Is it lighthearted? Is it something else? And then we'll compare our thinking. So it began with a basketball game. Mike Ditchter and I went up for the same rebound, and I accidentally sucked my elbows in his chest. Then Mike stuck his elbow in my chest, pointed a finger at me, and told me to watch out. In those days, I had a reputation for toughness to maintain, so I told him that he better watch out. And on the next rebound, neither of us watched out, and both of us got elbows in the chest. Then we started shoving each other under the baskets and pointing fingers and making threatening faces, which was fine with me because looking threatening was one of the things I did best. Before things could get out of hand, however, gym ended, and Mike and I glared at each other and went back to our respective homerooms. So, what words would you use to describe this gym class? I think that it does not seem lighthearted at all. It seems like it's very competitive, this gym class. I also am thinking about just, they're obviously at a school and the teacher kind of sets the tone for a classroom. So I'm wondering what kind of framing they had beforehand from their gym teacher about like what kind of sportsmanship they weren't gonna show while they were playing. So competitiveness, bullying, nastiness, um, intimidating. Those are the words that I would use to describe this setting. And one thing that I did to help me think through how I would describe the setting is place myself there. Like if I was in this gym class, how would I be feeling about the vibe in general? And so that's kind of how I helped arrive at what the mood was. So go ahead and answer below of what the mood of the gym class is and what kind of gym class you think it is.